Till now we completed 8 classes, 8 points in the XML Publisher. Now let's see other points here. Next point is I already noted down some points here.
Sir, are you sharing screen?
One second. Yeah, sorry, I missed it. Thanks for that, Susie. We'll see this XML Publisher Report migration. Okay, so this is the point. We developed XML report into development instance, and we have to migrate it to test environment. Or any other. We'll have other instances, production instances. To migrate it, there are two things are required here. So one is FND load, other one is XDU loader. These two required. So through FND loader, we can migrate. First of all, concurrent program registration steps we have to see. First, let's see that report is available. Okay. The data template report is not available. So what I will do first, I'll register it. Just I'll take 2 minutes. Now, before deployment, report migration, or we can say deployment into other instances. So as we don't have a existing report, I'm just restarting it. I don't need to explain the steps. I'm not going to explain for 1 minute because I need to restart this report into application.
ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ అవే ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవద్దా
Distributed in XML.
Okay. Sorry guys, actually that report was not there in the instance, so I took time and registered it. Now let's come to the point. The point here is whatever we developed till now and registered, we have to migrate it to other instance. So to migrate to instance, what are the components required here? So at concurrent program side, concurrent program name is required. So this is the concurrent program name that we have to take by using FND load. Executable not needed. The reason is we have taken executable, we have taken xdot.exe. So it's not needed to take because it is there already in the system. And in the same way, request group is also not needed. Request group is all reports, right? This is also not needed to migrate. Only one thing for FND load. Now in XML publisher side, there are two things here. One is data definition, other one is template. That also we have to take here. So backup, I mean to say, data definition and template. So overall, we have to take a backup of one, concurrent program name and its details, second data definition, and third one. So these are all just names only by using FND load utility. It's a utility. The XDO loader also utility only. So by using that, we can migrate RTF as well as we can migrate data definitions also. Data definition means template, I mean to say. So if you click on this, there is a template. So one is .xml file, the other one is .rtf file. So both we have to take. Using XDO loader, two things we can migrate. One is RTF file, one more is .xml file. So this is the way we can migrate easily from one instance to other instance. So let's see the syntaxes, guys. We'll see the syntaxes first. This is the syntax. This file I'll share it with you after class. So first, we have to download into Unix server. So then only we can keep as a repository. Then we can migrate it to target environment. So where we are taking a backup is $fnd top. You can go to bin directory. Where is the place? Under the application, fnd top is there. fnd. What next? Patch 115. These LCT files are there. These are all the loader control files. So LCT, AFCPPPROG. So that will be available in the import command. Okay. AF. Every loader control program is available here. So one is for workflow. This for workflow. For value sets, for lookups, kind of thing. So this is for your concurrent program. These are all predefined. Even if you open also, you will get to know so what it contains. But again, this is a system defined. We are not going to do anything. That's about a loader control file. Now, program short name we have to give here. Concurrent program short name as well as application short name. This is an application short name is which module you registered, that module short name. Usually module short name, where can we find out here is, we can find out into application developer responsibility. Then that is application register. Your module name is table. So this is the short name. Any module short name we can find out here. And concurrent program short name. They are saying it is a name. Here I'm talking about. Okay. Concurrent program short name it is. Of course, they mentioned as a program name, but that is a short name. Short name, where can we see is, we can go to concurrent program. Here is a place. This is a short name. Program name, it may be anything. Doesn't matter here. Short name we have to take. So let's take the syntax. We are going to download into Unix box. Putty we have to use to run this. This putty. In your machine, you may need to load this load, or else load. Say this is IP address, host name. Host name where we can see is it will be available here, apps.volc.com, or you could have received from installation person. Now Apple MGR is the username password, APPL MGR password also same. Yes. Now straight away you can run this command. Copy. See, the tool utilities fnd load. This is the database username apps, password apps 0y, and we are downloading into Unix box. We are downloading into Unix box here. This is a LCT which is already there, and your LDT file is output file, so which you are going to generate. So this is the usually program name we can give, and program application short name is an SQL AP, and there is a concurrent program short name. If you want to change this appearance of this, you can change. Colors. Okay. If I feel it is visible, the syntax. Now execute. Control enter. So it is executed. If you want to see what it has done, so there is a cat command is there in Unix or Linux, whatever. So cat will describe what it has done. Okay. Just I given a right click here so that it will be copied. You can read this. It has downloaded program name, and it has downloaded executable as well as attached to it, and value set. Your program has a value set as 240 characters, and your program has a short name HBODTSQL. So this just for identification, it's a log information. So I hope you are okay with the first step. The first step is over now. So to download LDT file for your XML Publisher template and data definition, as I mentioned already, concurrent program we have taken a backup, and then data definition and template is the next thing. Same FND load only. This is the syntax. Copy this. Go to putty. Paste. See, you can see FND load, username, password, database username, password. In your company, it may change. Like usually toad password 0y. Now we are downloading into XDO. XDO is XML Publisher top, and this LCT file is available into XDO related. For XDO loader, XDO top. For FND loader, FND top. See, FND top. Top means directory only. Now this is the name I have given. This name you can give anything. The DD means data definition. XDO DS definitions is the table name for XML Publisher. An application short name is your payable short name. And data source code, so your file name. I mean your data definition code it is. Data definition code we have already given. This one. So if you give another file name, you have to make sure you are giving properly. Enter. cat. Okay. You can see it is downloaded. It is downloaded into the system. Now, sorry, you can go to home directory. Sorry. I'm reconnecting again to SAP. Okay. The home directory, it will be available here. HVODT LDT file, which we only generated just before. And these are all the log files for our verification. So same log files we tried with the cat command here. Cat. So can you please go on mute, guys. Okay, this is the LDT file which we generated. The LDT output also we have given here. This is the name. LCT is Oracle given. LCT is the syntax here, loader control file, and the same thing it will give the output into LDT, LCT LDT combination. Okay, now this portion is over. So two syntaxes, one syntax for concurrent program name, other syntax is for data definition and template name. Okay, now next is RTF file separately we have to run, XML file separately. So XDO loader we have to use the syntax. Next, go here. Keep the syntaxes handy with you. Now here is the place. XML Publisher data definition. You take this. This is the syntax. Java, Oracle Apps, XDO. You don't need to remember all these guys. Download. Just check IP address is correct or not. Host name. Apps. And service name VIS. Vision instance. Vision is a practice instance. But in this, in place of Vision, you may see development, testing, production. So this is the file name. Yeah. So as it is, you can run this. We are taking a backup of .xml file. See, it is broken. It is broken into multiple lines and it is saying simply command not found. So make sure it should be in a single line. There is a window format, is there, right? Okay, wrapper. Keep into notepad. Another notepad. Yeah. I did word wrap. That's it. It must be in a single line, guys. That would be better for execution. So till here, enter. XML XDO loader done successfully. It is downloaded also. Start downloading. And downloading from where? This is a table for XML Publisher. Okay, that's over. Now another thing pending is RTF. So this is another syntax. Copy. So XML file is over now. Next last pending thing is RTF. So we are taking all this as a backup. Same backup only, we'll simply migrate it. That's okay. Anything went wrong here? Host name. Okay, we have to cross verify, guys. The file name. By mistake, if next time if you take file name as HBODT2, you have to replace this. Rest of the things you no need to change. Only file name you have to change. And yes, this is also done successfully. You may get errors if syntax is not correct or IP address is not correct at all. So that's it. So we have taken completely backup. So your files are available here only. Refresh. These are all your files. This is the LDT file for data definition template. And this is the .xml file. This is a backup of your .xml file. This is RTF file and XSL also. XSL. Okay. And this is the LDT for concurrent program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 files we have taken a backup in the home directory. Okay. Now we don't have other instances available here. So feel like this is only one instance we have. Feel like this is a test instance. So but already this data is there. We have to remove it. So then only it will allow. Otherwise it will be a duplicated thing. As we don't have multiple things, I am doing additional step here, deleting this concurrent program, deleting this executable data definition template and all. So now first step what I did is take an backup by using XDO loader, FND loader. Now second step is remove all data like concurrent program and then data definition, template, RTF, .xml. So these are all we have to delete it. Then only it will allow. So third one for deleting, to delete a concurrent program, there is a syntax we have to use. Syntax is fnd program, a delete program. Okay. So I already have a script with me somewhere. Here only in this file only I have included. So after deleting, we have to commit it. Copy this. Control enter. Commit. Now, if we go and check, the program will not be available at all. The same program, you query again, it will not appear because it will be deleted permanently. It is deleted. Now feel like flex instance and we can load that back up. So meantime, what I will do, I'll remove all other things also. I'll remove data definition, template, RTF, XML. So how can we delete all those is, for that also there is a script. There is a script here. In this script, main point we need to remember is this one. XDO templates pkg.delete row. And there is one more table, XDO logs. That's it. Same script we can utilize it. The only place you have to give your program name is here. The data template code, if you give here, it will be deleted. Copy. These are all reusable scripts. Meantime, here it is available. Before deleting, I just wanted to show you that's it. This is also there, this file. So now I am deleting it. Simply F5 we can use. F5. Select all the script. F5. In your case, if you want to execute the script, you give your file name because you will give your with your own naming conventions, right? The rest of the things you don't need to change, comma also. Okay. So I already given committed everything. Explicit commit not needed here. Now what you can do, you search here. It will not show at all. See, it's deleted. In the same way, data definition. No, deleted. Yeah. So the whole things we deleted here feel like this is a fresh environment. In the organization, you don't need to do this removal. Not needed. Okay, this step we can avoid it because we'll have a lot of instances available, development, testing, production, and all. The third one is here, load backups. This is the last step. So how to load it is, here also same again. First we have to load a concurrent program, followed by data definition template, and we have to load a .xml file, we have to load .rtf file. The file names which we have generated in the home directory, you have to make sure the same names you are giving, otherwise it will give an error. Okay, so for this also there are syntaxes here. I kept here itself all the upload download, otherwise you may get confused. So to
Sir,
yeah,
what is the backup location are you providing?
backup location we are not giving. That is the reason why it is taking home directory.
Okay, the which is we are using that account service account like
Right.
APPS.
Application server it is.
Yeah. Okay, so it is like a home slash APPS, right? The home directory it is it taking? Yeah. Okay.
/ Apple MGR application manager.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Now earlier I downloaded. Now I need to upload from a system. While uploading, you have to make sure you are giving a proper file name. Proper file name is whatever you take in a backup here. So this is the file name. First file, LDT file. So LCT to generate it, LDT to upload it. Now use this. So cat command we can use to describe this log file structure. So it is uploaded. Okay. So your file name, where it is available is, it is clearly giving the entire path. Okay, your FND file related path it is. Now you can verify that into application. Earlier we did not see this, now you will get it. Yes. So it is loaded even parameters also. Okay, the first step is done now. LDT file for concurrent program is done. Now data definition template. So we haven't uploaded till now. If we click on go also, so it is not at all there. We can run this script here, fnd load. Okay, this is the syntax. HBODT is the output file which we generated in the home directory. This file is already over. This is for concurrent program. This is for data definition and template. Only names, that's it. Not .xml, .rtf. For that, other syntax is there. Enter. Cat. We can upload dump files and all. So it's uploaded. Verify now whether it is successfully uploaded or not. Yeah, it's uploaded. Still, data template is pending for this. And go to template. For this also, RTF we haven't uploaded as of now. Only names created. Okay, guys. So 2 steps over here. We uploaded data template, concurrent program shortening, as well as data definition template. But there are 2 more things are pending. So one is .xml file, other one is .rtf file. So for that, we have to use, obviously, as I mentioned here, XDO loader. Now come down. So this is the script. So if you keep at the end this slash, then you don't need to maintain it a single line. If not, then this entire script you have to maintain it a single line only. So how we edit single line is by using order app. So keep this. Make sure here you are giving a proper file and proper IP address, host name. Sorry, this is a host name. And file name here is data template SQL AP HBODT.xml file. Just check whether it's correct or not. This one, data template SQL AP HBODT. This system only generated backup file. In your case, it may change. You have to be careful while practicing. See, it is a multi-line syntax. That is the advantage by putting slash at the end. Enter. So it is uploaded. It's created a record into XDO logs table. The .xml file is there now. Just check into application. Go back to data definition. Click on this. Yes. Data template. Now, one last thing pending for this report is template. See, this is the template is pending, RTF template. So this is our last thing in this explanation. This is the syntax. What about this file name which you are migrating? Is this correct? Template source SQL SVODT. This one. .xsl we are not migrating, only RTF. copy. This is this required for every report, guys. Developing report is one part and migrating report is other part. Mandatorily you have to migrate from one instance to other instance. This is your job only. So it is uploaded. Created a new record into XDO logs. People will ask you what are the tables for XML Publisher is XDO logs, XDO data definitions, XDO templates, and all we have to say. So now it is created. So my explanation is over for this. FND load, XDO load, or now. If you have any queries, please let me know here. So this is the only point I told today.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So, actually, you are uploading RTF file and XML file through Linux, right? So we have the option like upload option in the application. By using upload option, we can upload this file through a app application.
Where it is in the concurrent program, you want to say?
Yeah. No, not this. Another. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have that option like upload right here.
This is
Add file. Add file. Right side.
yeah. This file is actually to do it manually, and that too we are in development right now. So manual migrations will take time. So usually to restore a concurrent program in the beginning of the class, I took time, right? So I
Yeah.
took 5 minutes time for one report. If
Yeah.
I want to migrate 10 reports, 10 into 1 hour it will take. But in this script case, actually it will be loaded very quickly.
Okay. Okay.
I have taken explanation, 45 minutes, of course, to explain each and every concept. But for the second time, if I want to migrate this, not even 1 minute.
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
So
So
just
I
to
just want to
save
know
the
the
time.
option is there, right? Right.
Yeah, this is just manually adding a file. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
And
Got
that
it.
now what we are doing is we are migrating from one environment to other environment, development environment to test environment, or development to production kind of.
Okay. 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 Like in development, and after developing the
Yes,
whatever we have done, the it will be go to the testing environment after
as
to production.
exactly
Yeah.
correct.
Okay. Got it.
So what I will do, I'll stop at this point, guys, because I can take other topic, but that will take a lot of time. So today I took 45 minutes only, but that's okay. You please finish yesterday's topic. Yesterday I uploaded lately. There were so many calls yesterday, placement options. I did not get even time. 9:30 I got time actually. So that's it. Anyway, I uploaded lately yesterday. Sorry for that. So you please practice yesterday's class and today's class, and be ready for tomorrow's class. Okay. I'll tell you new topics.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Vishwa, I'll take 7 o'clock tomorrow. So okay, you can attend 7. So 7 o'clock only few guys are coming. Please take uh, set alarm and try to come by 7 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, okay.